For car and home, 12 volt LED, 6200 Kelvin, 50,000 plus hours of life, 120 LED, 2835 on the LED. These are 2835 LED, 120 LEDs, and they are a 12 volt wiring system, a 4-pack. Made of plastic with the chrome-like look, with the frosted look. Please peel off the protective film that's on the plastic covering. We have two ways to hook up: by peeling off the self-adhesive sticker on one side, laying on, aligning up, and pressing down for 30 seconds to it higher. For more of a permanent mount, we have a bracket that simply snaps over the back, locks into place, and the two set screws to lock into your panel, wood, wherever. We're showing a couple of scenarios, but before we do, these are what the light looks like, well lit up, all four at one time. In a low lit situation, to your existing light lights up your car. An idea of the light throw, how far it goes. You have a 12 volt system, indoor, solar. Hook up an RV, a camper, unclip by simply pulling off. Clip him on or permanently put with the self-adhesive tape. You could put them anywhere imaginable. They do not have a magnet, self-adhesive on the wall. They generate small amount of heat and they light up the area with a nice frosted, soft look. 6200 Kelvin, 120 LED on a 12 volt system and an on and off switch. Any 12 volt system, solar panel, 12 volt controller, nice do-it-yourself light kit. Enjoy your product.